The service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Leslie County, southeastern Perry County, east central Clay County until 10 a.m. At 9:30 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Markham, or 9 miles southwest of Hyden, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hosea around 9:35 a.m., Hyden around 9:40 a.m., Causey around 9:45 a.m., Leatherwood around 9:50 a.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Clay, Leslie, and Perry.
Overnight hours, pushing more so into tomorrow morning in areas of Iowa, Mason City down towards.
Could have some flooding issues, certainly. Going to be tracking some more heavy snow after we've already seen almost 2.5 feet for 2 hours now. With winter storm warnings that remain in effect into Friday as we have that next round of heavy snow blowing in. And again, this is going to amount to
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dickinson County in southwestern Virginia, southwestern Buchanan County in southwestern Virginia until 10:15 a.m. At 9:41 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Belcher to Ashcamp to near Jenkins, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hayside, Trammell, Nora, Vincent, Clinchcote, Clintwood, Davenport, Breaks Interstate, John Flanagan Lake, McClure, Oakwood, and Grundy. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following counties in Virginia: Buchanan and Dickinson.
especially for the morning and the evening hours over I-80 and, of course, the infamous Donner Pass. Let's switch gears, though. Get up to the northwest.
Morton and Jonesville, Virginia. Maybe.
The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Harlan County, east central Leslie County, Letcher County, southeastern Perry County until 10:15 a.m. At 9:48 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Slim, or 12 miles south of Hazard, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Flint around 9:55 a.m., Whitesburg around 10 a.m., Whitfield around 10:05 a.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Harlan, Leslie, Letcher, and Perry.
Back after the break with the top of the headlines.
This season, we went searching for the very best. So join me in my kitchen here for some truly memorable meals. Welcome back, everybody.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Clay County, south central Knott County, central Leslie County, Letcher County, southeastern Perry County, southwestern Pike County until 1 p.m. At 9:56 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Whitesburg, Hyden, Letcher, Jenkins, Elkhorn City, Flamington, Vico, Blackie, Kernesville, Olva, Daisy, Bluefield, Armitage, Red Star, Sassafras, Holly, Viper, Gander, Jeff, and Slam. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Norton in southwestern Virginia, Wise County in southwestern Virginia, until 11 a.m. At 9:59 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Roxana, or 7 miles west of Whitesburg, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Norton, Wise, Cooper, Pound, St. Paul, and Party. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following county, Wise, Virginia.
And also showcasing that we could have some hail in the area as well. Radar indicated. Gusty winds.
Also ordering an investigation of anti-Trump.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dickinson County in southwestern Virginia, south central Buchanan County in southwestern Virginia, until 11 a.m. At 10:26 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wise, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Davenport, McClure, Trammell, and Nora. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following counties in Virginia, Buchanan, and Dickinson. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Russell County in southwestern Virginia, southeastern Wise County in southwestern Virginia, northeastern Washington County in southwestern Virginia, until 11:30 a.m. At 10:29 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Trammell, or 9 miles east of Wise, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Cleveland, Virginia, Coburn, Honaker, St. Paul, Dye, Castlewood, and Rosedale. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. for the following county, Wise, Virginia.